Explain the importance of conducting cost-benefit analysis in decision-making processes. Additionally, discuss the key steps involved in performing a cost-benefit analysis and how it aids in evaluating the efficiency and feasibility of projects or policies. Conducting a cost-benefit analysis (CBA) is essential in decision-making processes, especially when evaluating the efficiency and feasibility of projects or policies. It provides a systematic approach to assessing the potential economic impact of decisions by quantifying the costs and benefits associated with various alternatives. The importance of CBA lies in its ability to inform stakeholders and decision-makers about the potential return on investment, ultimately leading to more informed and rational choices. One of the primary reasons for conducting a cost-benefit analysis is to ensure the effective allocation of limited resources. Organizations, whether in the public or private sector, must make choices about how to invest their resources to maximize benefits. By evaluating the costs associated with a project against the anticipated benefits, decision-makers can identify the most advantageous options, minimizing waste and optimizing resource use. This analytical framework helps prioritize initiatives that provide the greatest value and impact, ultimately contributing to the overall success and sustainability of an organization. Additionally, cost-benefit analysis facilitates transparency and accountability in decision-making processes. By clearly outlining the expected costs and benefits, stakeholders can engage in informed discussions and debates regarding proposed projects or policies. This transparency helps build trust among stakeholders as they can see the rationale behind decisions and the potential implications for the organization or community. Furthermore, a well-documented CBA can serve as a reference for future evaluations, providing insights into what worked and what did not, thus promoting continuous improvement in decision-making practices. Performing a cost-benefit analysis involves several key steps that guide decision-makers through the process. The first step is to define the scope and objectives of the analysis. This includes identifying the specific project or policy under consideration, its goals, and the stakeholders involved. Clear objectives ensure that the analysis remains focused and relevant, allowing for a more accurate evaluation of costs and benefits. Next, the costs associated with the project or policy need to be identified and quantified. This involves considering both direct costs, such as expenses related to implementation and operation, and indirect costs, which may include potential disruptions, opportunity costs, or negative externalities. Once all costs have been identified, they are assigned monetary values to facilitate comparison with benefits. After determining the costs, the next step is to identify and quantify the expected benefits of the project or policy. Benefits can take many forms, including monetary gains, improved efficiency, enhanced quality of life, or positive environmental impacts. Like costs, benefits should be evaluated both qualitatively and quantitatively to provide a comprehensive view of their impact. It is crucial to consider the time frame over which the benefits will be realized, as this affects their present value. Once both costs and benefits have been quantified, the analysis can be performed by comparing the two. This comparison typically involves calculating the net present value, NPV, which is derived by subtracting the total cost from the total benefits, adjusted for the time value of money. A positive NPV indicates that the benefits of the project or policy outweigh the costs, suggesting that it is a worthwhile investment. In contrast, a negative NPV may signal the need to reconsider the project or explore alternative options. Finally, the results of the cost-benefit analysis should be communicated effectively to stakeholders. This includes presenting the findings in a clear and accessible manner, highlighting key insights, assumptions, and recommendations. Engaging stakeholders in discussions about the analysis can facilitate a deeper understanding of the implications of the findings and foster collaborative decision-making. In summary, conducting a cost-benefit analysis is vital for informed decision-making in both public and private sectors. It helps ensure the efficient allocation of resources, promotes transparency, and enables organizations to evaluate the feasibility and effectiveness of various projects and policies. By following the key steps involved in performing a CBA, decision-makers can systematically assess the potential impact of their choices, leading to more strategic, evidence-based decisions that ultimately benefit their organizations and communities.